Presenting the JBL C100si in-ear headphones. These in-ear headphones come with one-button remote with noise-cancelling microphone, enabling you to take calls easily while on the go. The earbuds are designed to fit snugly and comfortably. The earphones are lightweight and are suitable for all-day use. The ear tips come in 3 size choices for your convenience. The 9mm drivers provide immersive HD sound and powerful deep bass. The one-button remote allows you to manage your calls efficiently with a touch of a button. This in-ear headphone is available in 3 color variants: black, white, and red. These earphones come with 3 pairs of ear tips and warranty and safety card in the box. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome. These are 5 things you should know about the JBL C100si in-ear headphones. Number 1. The C100si has a 9mm driver. That's a lot of bass for a device that is very lightweight. It has a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It also has a sensitivity of 100 decibels. Number 2. The headphones sport a glossy ergonomic design. The earphones also have a premium metallic finish. You will notice that the headphones are at an angle. This ensures wearer comfort. Number 3. The C100si comes with extra silicone ear tips. The smaller and larger sizes are in a separate packet. The medium-sized ones are already attached. Number 4. The C100si comes with a tangle-free cable that has a 3.5mm jack at one end. There is also a rubber stopper to help adjust the cable length. Number 5. C100si also has an inline one-button remote. This enables you to manage calls. Speaking of which, there is also a microphone right next to the button. The button can also be used to activate Siri or Google Assistant in your iPhone or Android device respectively. And those were the top 5 features of the JBL C100si in-ear headphones. Thank you for watching.